car wash operators are buckling under pressure of the ongoing drought and water restrictions. Their reactions come 24 hours after the government announced tighter water restrictions for non-essential tasks. Some business operators say they already had to reduce services due to the water challenges, and their operations for the rest of the summer remain uncertain.
It's Tuesday afternoon at the Ultimate Car Spa in New Kingston. On any other midsummer day, business would be booming. But now,
well, the drought has affected us in a great way because now we have to conserve on water supply and also to having enough water to supply both the car wash and the restaurant. It affects us by decreasing in our sales per day. We normally have like 28 to 30 cars washing per day. Now we're down to 10 cars per day.
Administrative Assistant Sophia Lloyd says this has been their reality since early July. There's also a restaurant and other small businesses on the complex, so the challenges are far-reaching. And with the new restrictions announced by the government on Monday, business is looking bleak for the rest of the summer. As of Monday, August 17, it will be illegal for people to use water supplied by the NWC for non-essential tasks. This includes using water to wash cars using a hose.
We have 4 tanks on location. Of course, we get the water from the NWC. If we're out of water, we have to then thinking about purchasing the water. And that cuts into our sales as well. So it does pose a great impact on us.
Andre Buckle is a manager at this car wash in St. Andrew. He told us tanks have also been a necessity during the drought period, and they have had to purchase water from trucks to supplement their supply. But even then, the extent of the drought has had some impact on business.
Well, yesterday business was a bit slow yesterday. Today we started out slow, but as the day progressed, cars coming in. But, most persons, they are washing their car less now because of the restriction. They are, more like doing more vacuum inside, but not the exterior.
And as the restrictions persist, concerns about the impact on sales. Despite that, the business operators are hopeful.
We just have to work with the government instructions. And I hope some rain fall, so we can go back to regular, business.
We have not had drought this bad before. So we are hoping and looking forward to seeing that we get some rain as, soon. If not so bids and the drought continues, then, we have to have an action plan in purchasing water, and then we don't know how long the water will last in Jamaica for us to keep up.
Now, if individuals breach the latest water restriction prohibition order, they will be guilty of an offense and could face a fine. If they are unable to pay the fine, they could face imprisonment for a term not exceeding 30 days. Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.